everyone, 안녕하세요 여러분. 저는 주주입니다. Hi guys, I'm Zuzu. In this video, I'll be reviewing Talk to Me in Korean study books. I think studying at home when you really can't do anything is a really good way to work on yourself and stay busy. And that's why I decided to buy Talk to Me in Korean bundle level 1 to 5 with workbooks and an extra reading book. Got them right here. Ta-da! It's quite heavy. So I just opened the box. I didn't look in the books at all. I want to do that with you, but I couldn't show you how to open the box because otherwise you would see my address, and let's keep that a secret. It comes packaged like this. Ooh. As you can see, the easy reading book that I also bought together with the bundle came with, and then there's something here. Oh, seems like a letter. That means thank you in Korean. But yeah, I will open that one first. I think the books don't have any damage at all from, you know, shipping. Easy reading book. Oh, I actually thought these ones would be much bigger. Actually, they're not that big. Like, oh, I'm sorry. Wait, let me just place it on my knee. This is level 5. I actually really like the illustrations. But yeah, it is quite a small size for a book, I think. I mean, I don't mind. I thought there would be like bigger study books. So we have level 4, level 3. Oh, it's funny how each level has a different color. Level 2. Oh, I love that kind of blue. And level 1. Oh, these ones are placed backwards. Oh, these are the study books. So, I mean like the workbooks. So this level 5. I think these illustrations are so cute. Level 4, level 3, level 2, level 1. That's it. And oh wait, there's something else in here. 50-day goal tracker. So you have a goal, you write your start date, and then I guess you just write what you've learned. Like they're like small circles. For this bundle, including the workbooks and this book and shipping, I paid about 160 euros. So it might be a bit much, but I think that if you can really study on your own, I think these books are worth it. I was thinking about doing maybe some videos about like study with me, or when I've been through all of these books, I would like to do a video about how fast my Korean improved or how much it improved with these study books. Okay, so, but I really want to open this one first, so I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, these are stickers. It's such a cute envelope, isn't it? Wait, there's something else in it. Oh yeah, so you get like really cute stickers with like the Talk to Me in Korean. I think they're pretty cute, and everything else is just some extra stickers with Korean sayings. I guess this is like a illustration of a teacher at How to Talk to Me, or maybe teacher in the books. I don't know, but I think it's cute. Gonna start with level 1. I think level 2, 3, 4, and 5 will be quite similar, just more advanced. So level 1 will be a book that you would start with no knowledge of Korean at all. There are also exercises inside of the book. I did not expect that. There's a lot of English explanations. I think that's so good. They also give an explanation of the meaning and the literal meaning. Oh, and they also have like little blogs and talk about things. Like this one is about places in Korea, Hangang, which is the Han River. And they also like congratulate you. Like they said, congratulations, you've made it past level 10. You're nearly halfway finished with level 1. Fighting! I think that's so good. Like even though you don't have a teacher, this makes me feel like a teacher is like telling me I'm doing well and I should just continue. So I really love that. And I think the illustrations are so cute, like really, really cute. Right, let me just see what the workbooks looks like. So I'm gonna start with level 1 again. So I thought the textbook would teach you Hangul, but it is actually the workbook. See? It says quick guide to Hangul. At the end of the workbook, you have all the answers. So one of the things that is expected, as I can see from this, is that you have to do your lesson first in the textbook, and then work in the workbook. Right, so they say the categories are vocabulary review, writing, listening comprehension, reading comprehension, fill in the chart, dictation, and the types of exercise that you can expect are matching, fill in the blank, multiple choice, dictation, draw a picture, translation, Korean to English and vice versa, short answer, define and translate, conjugation, write your own sentence, Q&A, unscramble and write, and certification. Right, let me just get a book that's maybe level 4. I think that there's less English and more exercises, that's for sure. That's what I can immediately see as a difference between level 1 and level 4. And I think that's great because I feel like when you study a language, at some point you have to let go of the language that you're used to. So in my example, in these books, it is English. So they are giving a lot more examples, and of course they translate those examples. Yeah, but I'm actually really happy with this, and they also have like sample dialogues about things that you've just learned with translations as well. And now let's see workbook level 4. Here you can see what kind of categories they have and types of exercises. They really expect you to do more work to understand more, but still the exercises are, well, relatively easy. It's not too hard, I think. So it is more advanced than level 1, and I think that's really good because that's how you learn, to make it a little bit harder every time you take another step forward. So that's what the books look like, and I also showed you a bit of what they offer. But actually the great thing about Talk to Me in Korean is that you can already look this up on their website. They literally tell you what each lesson is about. So you can really check out their website and then look at the chapters of the book, like which grammar and vocabulary is going to be taught in that book, and then you can really choose at which level you want to start if you already have Korean knowledge. They also have a test on their website to see how well your Korean is. My Korean was level 5 on their website, but I did not want to get their level 5 book because there are a lot of things that I learned when I studied Korean in Korea, but there were also a lot of things that I understood like half, because my teacher didn't talk in English at all, and I really was missing context in my study books. Because if you really understand the basics, then it will be easier to build on them instead of not exactly knowing why or how and then learning more and more stuff. I just could not process it, and because of that I feel like I did not understand my Korean very well, and that's also why I made a lot of mistakes. But that's okay, because you learn from your mistakes, and that's also the reason why I just bought all these 5 books. Once I'm done with these, I would like to get the other levels because they have level 1 until 8. Now I also bought this book. I really wanted it. It is easy Korean reading for beginners, and it contains a lot of small, cute, short stories. And the reason why I wanted this book is because I learn language the best when I'm reading. But it's really hard to find stories that are made for beginners. And they also include vocabulary and cultural tips and like read out loud practices for pronunciation and translation. So I really love this little book. And it really is not that much, because if you look, this is one short story. Like, it is not that much, but even a small text like this could help me so much. So I'm really happy I bought this one as well. I think it's so nice. You get so many tips and stories and blogs about things in Korea and how to do them. So my overall thoughts about these books is that I think they're really well constructed, and I think they will help me a lot. I love that there's so much explanation in English, and that there's a lot of practices, and that there's a way for you to check your answers when you are working in the workbooks. Obviously I haven't worked in them yet, so I cannot go too much in depth about how good they work for me. I will do an updated video about that somewhere later this year or next year. But at a first glance, I think they're really well paced, and I think they also give a lot of good context and opportunities to really understand how to use it, and also practices to use it yourself. So yeah, I can't wait to study these and surprise my Korean friends and my Korean teachers that my Korean has improved significantly. I'm really looking forward to that one. Because someday I would love to live and work in Korea, so I really want to, you know, level up to level 4 on the topic. If you have any questions about these books or this one or the workbooks, then you can comment down below and I will try to help you out as much as I can. And also let me know if the idea of studying with me in Korean would be a video idea that you would like to see, because I think that would be fun, but I've never done that before, so I'm really doubting about it. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video and that it was informative about how to talk in Korean books. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Keep sparkling, okay? Bye bye!